all love doing makeup, right? But when it comes to everyday basis, a lot of people don't really get enough time to take care of their skin as well as doing their makeup properly before heading out to office or college. Today I have this just one product that's not just gonna even out your skin tone, but this is a perfect blend of makeup as well as skincare. So today I have this the Dermaco 2% Niacinamide Hydrating BB Cream for dewy and even toned skin. It has SPF of 30 and PA++. This has 2% niacinamide and 1% hyaluronic acid complex. It retails for 399 rupees and you are getting 30 grams of product. This is a fragrance-free formula. Also, this is free from paraben, sulfate, dye and mineral oil. So this is how the BB cream looks like. It comes in this beautiful tube sort of a packaging which looks really cute, and also this is very travel friendly. As I said, this is a perfect combination of makeup and skincare, and this is formulated with niacinamide that's gonna cover your dark spots, pigmentation and blemishes. It looks beautiful, dewy and hydrating on the skin. This is gonna even out your skin tone. This is gonna fade pigmentation. It keeps your skin hydrated and plump throughout the day. I love applying it with the help of my finger. You can also use a brush as well as a beauty blender. As it has SPF of 30, so it looks a bit whitish in front of the camera because of the light. It has a little bit of white cast that goes after 20 to 30 minutes, and it looks very normal and natural on the skin, and it feels very comfortable and looks beautiful on the skin. Now this is what I'm wearing on my skin today. This is how it looks like. I've just set it with a compact powder and it gives a beautiful glowy dewy finish to the skin that I absolutely love. Now there are three things I would definitely like to mention. First of all, it has a little bit of white cast. It looks a bit white, especially in front of the camera. If you are taking pictures, it looks a bit white as it has SPF in it. Secondly, it doesn't come with a lot of shades. I think I will mention it on the screen. And thirdly, this is not waterproof or sweat proof or water resistant. I want my base products to be waterproof and sweat proof. First of all, I do sweat a lot, and secondly, I have oily skin. So yeah, if you are buying this one, just keep these things in mind. Now guys, every time you buy from Dermaco, they will link your order to a child that they're gonna help educating along with Bhumi, and they have pledged to help 10,000 plus students across the year. Now guys, I cannot stress about enough of using a sunscreen in the daytime if you are heading out. And although this product has SPF of 30 and PA++, which is I think is not enough if I am heading out in the daytime. So what I do is I use a sunscreen underneath this one. And the sunscreen that I use is this one. This is the 1% Hyaluronic Sunscreen Aqua Gel. What I do is I apply it all over my skin and then I go on with the BB cream and rest of the makeup. So if you are using this particular BB cream, definitely use the sunscreen underneath, then use the BB cream, then go on with the rest of your makeup. Guys, I do have a coupon code with them which is flashing on the screen right now. If you use that, you will get extra 20% off on the Dermaco website, and this is not an affiliate code, so I'm not gonna make any money out of it. This is just for you guys. So yeah guys, that's it. That brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. All of the product details and links, everything is mentioned in the description box, so don't forget to check that out, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Remember, subscribing is for free. It doesn't cost you anything, but it will help me a lot. So please consider subscribing and join my fam. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I will see you soon in my next one.